Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, you can already guess from the thumbnail that today I will be announcing the winner of the previous giveaway, last week's giveaway, by the end of the video. And this week also we have a giveaway. So my dear friend, if you want to win a $5,000 account from Fund Your FX, then please like the video, write down something in the comment section, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe so that I can pick you as the next winner. So please do not hesitate. Write down something beautiful in the comment section and please press the like button. And my dear friends, Fund Your FX is an award-winning prop firm operating since 2021, helping traders throughout the world. The unique thing about Fund Your FX is that they provide profit split up to 95%. They provide funding up to $3 million. They provide weekly payouts, and the best thing is that there is no daily drawdown. There's only an overall drawdown of 10%. So you can just go to their website, you will find all the information here. You can see till date they have paid $36 million payouts to traders, and they have a total user of 220k. So just imagine, okay, how big they are. And if you go to their website, you will also find various programs like one-phase evaluation, two-phase evaluation, and if you do not like evaluation, directly funding, then you can go with their instant funding programs as well. Just select your plan, okay, and you can just start trading. So all the information is available on the website. The link is in the description. And to win the next $5,000 challenge account, feel free to write in the comment section and like the video. Okay, now let's talk about gold. So this is the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us, and right now we can see that gold is trading around 2897, 2898. So this is the current market price. And if we look at the chart of gold, then we can see the market is choppy as expected. Gold is trading in a range. If we look at the economy calendar, we can see that we have news coming up during the US session, but Joel's job opening, okay, will not have much impact. Market will mostly be waiting for tomorrow's CPI, and before a major event like NFP CPI, market remains flat, market remains choppy. So we can expect gold to also remain like this, not to have any particular direction, just in a range. And if we look at the market sentiment, we can see gold holds steady as market awaits US data. Tariff impact, yeah, tariff impact is there, will there, okay, for the next couple of days. But at this moment, market is mostly waiting for the tomorrow's CPI. So my dear friends, the plan is same, okay, stick to the levels, that's it. Because when we do not have any clear direction in the market, it's better to go for small trades. For example, if you prefer to hold your trade for 3-4 days, then you can clearly see on the chart that this is not the chart where you should be holding your trades for a couple of days. This is a chart where you need to, okay, where you need to exit after a couple of minutes or a couple of hours. This means zone to zone trading or level to level trading. We can see right now that market has beautifully taken support around the level of 288084 area. So today we will be looking for support or bounce around the next levels that we discussed in our previous. So market is choppy, but still if we observe the market structure, we can see that market is forming lower highs. So market may be choppy, market may be sideways, but market has a little biasness towards the bearish side. I'm not talking about trend reversal here. That's a different story. But what I'm saying is that there is a possibility of a little downside. Little downside means market forming another lower low here. So the next support on the chart of gold is around 2870, because market is from lower low. Next time when market will be coming down, there is a high chance that market will break this particular support and head towards 2870. If market takes support around 2870, 2869 area, we can look for a buy position. And the second support on the chart of gold is around 2859 to 2861. So these are the two support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. Again, I'm repeating, the market may seems to be sideways or choppy, but we can see the market is slowly forming lower highs here. So formation of lower highs in a sideways market indicate that there is a little, okay, possible, not there's a possible, not little, higher possibility of market breaking the previous low and going down. We are not talking about trend reversal here because market is waiting for CPI. At this point, we can expect the market will remain above 2850. Okay, so if market breaks the previous support here, we can look for next bounce around 286970 or 285961 area if market takes support. If you see market is showing price ejection from below on the 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame, then only hit the buy button. Again, my dear friend, do not trade blindly. No level is permanent. We are traders, we need to respect our capital. Okay, and if you look at the market sentiment meter, okay, which tells us about the position of the retailers, we can see here this is our beloved gold here, and we have 52% traders on the short side and 48% traders on the long side. So market sentiment meter is also saying that retail traders around the world are confused regarding the direction. So you need to plan your trades accordingly. And if market goes up from here, the next level where we can look for a sell is around 2905, 2911, 2912 and 2920. Keep in mind these levels are high risk levels and for scalpers only. Okay, for scalpers only means you cannot take a sell and sit on the sell position for a couple of hours or 1 or 2 days. Once you see the market is showing price ejection from below, go for a sell. Do not expect much. 30 to 40 pips, good enough. Means you need to go for quick entry and exit. Why we are looking for sell around these areas? Let me show you. We are simply using Fibonacci here. Okay, so at this moment we can see that market, okay, you can see market is showing a little reversal from Fibo 38.2. The next level is around, you can see 2905. Okay, around 2905 we have fee about 50% retracement level. The previous support will also be acting as resistance here. See, if the previous support will be working as resistance here, and moreover the 50 moving average is also coming down. So around 2905 we can look for a 30 to 40 pips selling opportunity. We are looking for a sell around 2911, 2912 because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Okay, and market has also shown price ejection around this area previously. Okay, so these are the two levels where you can look for a sell because of FIBO and price action. Similarly, okay, we are looking for sell around 2912 area because of FIBO 78.6% retracement level. So these are the three levels where we can look for a sell position as a scalper, quick entry and exit. That's it. If you see that market is standing at 2905 with a big green candle, okay, do not go for a sell. Do not trade blindly. Okay, you cannot follow someone blindly and place orders. No, you need to observe. Observation will make you a good trader, better trader. So again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, that this is a choppy market, sideways market. Market is waiting for tomorrow's CPI, so we can expect the market to remain like this. At this moment, 2850 seems to be the lower zone and 2950 seems to be the upper zone of the market. And we can expect the market to remain like this, but still we can see that internally gold is forming lower highs. So as gold is forming lower highs, okay, we can expect the market to go down a little. So if market breaks the previous low here, we can buy around 2870, 2869 and 2859, 2861 area. Okay, if market takes support. And if you want to take risk, you can also go for sell below this area as well. Okay, it depends on you. Okay, it depends on you. If you want to go for a sell below 2879 to 878 area, that's up to you. Okay, but right now I'm just looking for a bounce. And on the other hand, if market goes up, we have some quick selling opportunity around 2905, 2911 and 2920. And if we look at the lower time frame, like 15 minutes on the chart of gold, we can see that, okay, on the 15 minutes time frame also, okay, we do not have many trading opportunities, but still, okay, if you want to trade, okay, then as a day trader, okay, you can draw FIBO like this. See, I have drawn a FIBO here, and I can see that I also have a buying opportunity around 2891. During the day, if market comes around 2891, I can look for a bounce. See, these type of things only work before the US session when the volume of the market is low. Okay, see, now 2891, 2892 is a support. Then also we have support around 2,888,2,877. So as a day trader, you can also look for a 30-40 pips bounce around these areas. Why I'm saying this, because there are many of you who do not like to trade on any pair, only stick to gold. Okay, for them, okay, just waiting for an opportunity throughout the day can be very frustrating. So if you want to trade on gold, then you can also trade like this. But trading opportunities on lower time frame are a little unreliable. Just keep in mind. And anyways, okay, like the video, subscribe the channel if you're new to the channel, and please write down something beautiful in the comment section so that I can pick you as the next winner of the Fund Your FX $5,000 challenge account. Now the big question is, who is the lucky winner? And the name of the lucky winner is Mr. Abdul Rauf. So Mr. Abdul Rauf, if you're watching the video, then please write an email to me. The email is in the screen right now so that I can help you with the $5,000 challenge account. And those who want to win the next challenge account, please write down in the comment section and like the video. And Mr. Abdul, please write an email to me or contact me so that I can help.